Oh yeah, so here. So when we open the table window, why did I change with you? 4 changes. All right. You know what? I don't want to use this method. This method. I think we're gonna do something else. Okay, get rid of it. We don't need you. Thank you. I'm gonna do it in a more proper way, where we're gonna do an enter saloon, exit saloon. And here we're gonna call on this. And here we're gonna call on this. And then here we don't really need that. This and this. Also, we don't need all of these. Boop, boop, boop. But we do need to get a reference to the saloon gamepad handler. And when we enter saloon, we want to make sure that we are doing enter saloon and we are exiting the saloon. We need to make sure that we do this. And yeah. Okay, so that's 1. So this should fix the problem. I don't know this one. ZZ Top. Cute. Okay. Boop, boop. Oh, we got an error. Okay. Yeah, we got a problem. Oh, I forgot to give the reference. Stupid head. Boop. Okay, now let's try it. This dub is pretty good. Another good song from them is Legs. Legs. Okay. Aha. And if I leave, yes, it unselects the group. Cool. Oh, shit. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, it works. I got a song named Tush and a song named Legs. Yeah, the one that we just played was named Tush. Tush? Tush? I'm assuming it's Tush because Tushy. Right? Okay, so we fixed this. This was good. Actually, I also want to know what happens. So now I'm in mouse mode, right? And I pick up the controller. Okay, yeah, it works. Cool. Now, next, when we challenge someone or when we open the little, when we select some group, we need to take care of that. So how are we going to do that? So in here, we need to check whether, come here. Right, so when we are selecting, we need to make sure that one second, what does Steve want? We need to make sure that we can select and deselect the group. So let's see what is happening. If I go here, right? When we select someone with a controller, right? I don't want, first of all, I don't want to be able to move around like that and select other groups. I need to make sure, oh, maybe, no. Yeah, I don't want to be able to select like that other groups. I need to make sure that, so this is not happening. And and that we have an option to challenge the group or go back to the selection. So this needs to be like A or the south button to accept challenge and east button to go back. And none of this. Sorry, that I threw the control. I think that was loud. Sorry. So here we're gonna have I'm gonna give the same reference. Private saloon gamepad handler. Public void select group. Public void deselect group. Okay, let me finish the yogurt. I wanted to grab the controller to start coding. I think I'm breaking. Okay, select group. What we want to do, we want to have a null selected, and how are we gonna do this? I can do a player input handler. Back action and which action? Where's the input? Input. There you go. We have the skip, which is space and south, and we have the menu. Not menu. We have the back button for escape. Okay, I guess we're gonna use the skip button. I don't know why I called it skip. It was a mistake. Okay. So player input singleton. Skip action. Can I toggle it? Because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be on. So there's a toggle menu back button, not toggle menu skip button. So I guess we will have to add it. Okay. So first we need to toggle both of them on. Public void toggle menu skip button. Oh, I need to make sure that it's there. So all we need to do is to expose this guy. You're exposed. There you go. So we need to toggle them on, then toggle them off. Then we need to subscribe to the events. So that's this. Skip action. That's how do we challenge a group? So it's just Saloon UI challenge. Okay. So skip action equals plus equals. Oh, we need Okay. We need a local private void challenge group. Is that how you spell challenge? Yeah. Oh, look at that. So the reason why I'm creating a separate method for it and not just reusing the one from the Saloon UI. It's not a singleton? Wow. Wow. Okay. Sorry, I'm just surprised. Saloon UI. Saloon UI dot challenge. So the reason why I'm not subscribing this event is because when we are subscribing to an action event, we need to have context. Ah, I forgot what we. What did I do? How did I do that? What? We need. Where's the create method thing? Oh, performed. There you go. We need this guy. Callback context. There we go. That's what we need. And again, we need to do this for the back action performed. Private void. Oh, actually, we don't need it. We don't need another one. All we need to do is to deselect a group. So if we just put this guy in here, we can subscribe you here. And then we need to unsubscribe from you here. Haha. And then, what's then? We need to set what's gonna be selected. So here we're null. We're nulling it. So we need to do something. Okay, and where is this gonna be called from? From here? From here. Gamepad handler, call on that. Oh, here, we need to close table window. And before we set it to null, we should do gamepad handler dot no, we cannot call this from this. We need to call this what is it? Saloon UI dot close table window. Are you public? You are not. Okay, so we can put the logic. I don't want to put the logic in here. Okay, fuck it. We're exposing you. There you go. And right before we're calling on it, we're gonna do Saloon UI, selected group, and we're gonna pass it into the event system that current dot, wait, is that? Saloon group, yeah. Set like that. Whew, what do you think? Is that gonna work? I don't think it's gonna work, to be honest. We're missing something. Actually, I think it's gonna work. Should we do a prediction whether it's gonna work or not? Of course it's gonna work. I wrote it. Of course it's gonna work. Just need to make sure that we put all the correct references. Okay. I think that's it. Let's test it out. Pow. And the next thing, when we test this out and it works, we need to do some UI work because we need to make sure that players are not stupid, and we show them that, hey, you need to press this button or that button. Like right now it says Y to exit, right? But we also need to make sure that here it worked. It doesn't reselect the group, which is weird. I know why it doesn't do that. Because we close the window, right? And in here, we're setting them selected as false, which means it turns off the outline. So we need to save a reference to you. So game object selected group equals that, and then pass this in here, and then do that. So we need to, we need to separate the two. No, I saved, and we're still running the game. Good. But it worked. Well, we didn't challenge the group yet, so we need to make sure that that works. But it looks like it's gonna work. You know why it's gonna work? Because I wrote it. I wrote it. Of course it's gonna work. Why wouldn't it work? I wrote it. Bug-free code. Let's go. Pow. Okay. Select back. Select back. Select challenge. It worked. It absolutely 100% worked. Now let's try not to die. I killed someone with a controller. No. He killed me. Looks like their last rattle just got snacked. I killed two with a controller without even trying. Good job. Oh, that didn't work. Found a bug. Shit. Oh, there is another spot where we need to do this on the challenge when we challenge someone. Okay, let's do public void sub from selected group. Boop. Boop. And then this is going to be called here. Yeah. Actually, we don't need to expose it. We can do it here. And there's no need to expose this. Aha! Genius. Okay. So now that we are geniuses, Let's take care of the UI. So how are we gonna do this? We have a few things that we need. First of all, private game object, selected group, gamepad, UI. Private game object, exit saloon UI, or actually it's a prompt, UI prompt. So there's that, the button, the challenge button. Okay, let's start with these. Move you here. On device changed. Is gamepad. We want all of the, and we want that. What is that? Welcome in. Narcmind, I mean sauce fromage. Welcome in. What were you playing? What were you playing? How was your stream? We are working on the saloon game, and we have a week left to release. Okay? No pressure. No pressure. Just working on some stupid controller stuff. But yeah. Finals and Ut. I have no idea what either of these mean. I don't know these games. Yes, 1 week. Yeah, I'm working on controller support right now. This is very, very annoying. Is finals? You mean Final Fantasy? That's the only final I know. Also, we did do a shout out to Source Fromage, but let's also do. How do I do a shout out? There you go. Shout out to Nerk. You have to wait. Oh my god. Fine. We wait 33 seconds. The finals, it's a shooter game. Oh. Exactly. Exactly, Aya. I'm with you. There you go. Go follow Narcmind. Great individual with a super cute Pepe, a dog, and yeah, that's cool stuff. Aya, I'm talking here. You see what I am dealing with? See what I'm dealing with? Trying to do some work. Oh my god, I'm killing it. You're annoying. Oh my god.